9648 Christine View. As you can see, we are on a corner lot, so you have extra space and a nice pretty driveway, which is desirable. Definitely needs a cleanup. Need to clean up those palm trees, which may or may not be HOA. I honestly don't know. If it was, it'd probably be done, so probably not, but this all needs to be cleaned up. Maybe patch up stucco in some of those areas. The garage is a little bent in there. These are not big issues, I'm just pointing them out. Touch up that wood, probably touch up that wood framing. This is an REO, so you're gonna see some things will definitely need to be done. For example, flooring, and it may not appear to be a good investment, but once it's all done, then of course you have a beautiful property that matches our template. So redo this front door, and honestly, a lot of times when you see a property that doesn't appear to be in as bad condition, it still requires things like replacing carpet. So in other words, this rehab may not be as big as it seems compared to a lot of properties. Things will need to be done. Like this carpet needs to be replaced, the flooring needs to be replaced, but this is normal. It's not highly unusual. So we have this great concrete slab. We already have rocks in place. We're higher than these neighbors, as you can see, significantly. So we have a pretty private backyard for Las Vegas. Do the landscaping cleanup, of course, repair this window. Counters are great. Cabinets look good. Okay, so nice and bright. Okay, Whisper Drive garage opener. Okay. Laundry hookup. Shelves, you know, this whole room needs to be redone. This is, like I said, this is an REO, so not all of the lights turn on. Some do, some don't. So change out those light bulbs. Change out this flooring. Where are the stairs? Over here. Okay. Change out this carpet and okay. Get some closet doors and okay, so overall in this house we're going to be adding interior doors, replacing flooring, repaint, attic access doors need to be installed. Install tile flooring, for example, in that bathroom, which is about $5 a square foot, unless I need to repair the subflooring underneath, which will kick that up a bit to maybe, whoa, this is a really big closet. Okay, and this is a glass paneled wall, so see how Jenny feels about that. Whoa, Okay, so we'll just replace that cabinet there. Yeah, the cabinet door. Okay, so let's check the back of this door as well. Okay, the back of this door looks good. Okay, so one. Okay, it's good. One. Probably replace all the interior doors. I have a feeling that Jenny may say that. So I'm just going to count them all. 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably 5 interior doors. Maybe 2 sets of closet doors. Okay, that's the house.